Hi everyone, I'm Natasha, and today we're doing a guided meditation to raise your vibration so you can vibrate on the highest possible frequencies of gratitude and love. And when you raise your vibration to these frequencies, not only are you going to have an awesome day, but it will also help you manifest and attract the things you want, the good things you crave. Because really in the universe, you get what you receive. So if you're constantly down and stressed and feeling ungrateful, you're going to get more things to be stressed and ungrateful about. But if you can focus on what you love, on what you're grateful for, you will receive even more to be grateful for. So to get started, find a comfortable place to sit, or you can even lie down. You might want to soften your gaze, or you might want to let your eyes close. It's up to whatever feels good for you. Allow your breaths to come slowly and deeply, but naturally. Up tall if you're sitting, and shine out of the top of your head as you allow your face to relax. Allow your jaw to relax. Allow your neck to relax and your shoulders to relax. And just breathe. Now on your next inhale, visualize and feel your breath coming in through your heart and out through your heart. In through your heart and out through your heart. In through your heart. Out through your heart. Continue breathing for a few more breaths, following whatever pace feels natural to you. And with every inhale and every exhale, feel your breath moving through your heart. Feel the energy of the universe moving through your heart as you breathe. So now that your heart and your mind are operating on the same frequency, it's time to raise that vibration by inviting gratitude in. So think of the first thing that comes to mind that you have to be grateful for. Nothing is too little or too big. Anything you have to be grateful for. Invite that feeling of gratitude and feel it. Feel it in your body. Maybe it feels like a warmth in your chest. Maybe it feels like butterflies in your stomach. Feel that feeling and name it. And now that you are vibrating to the frequency of gratitude, you can invite in love. What is something that you love, truly, deeply love? Bring it to mind and feel that love in your body. That heart-melting, happy tears, love. Feel it in your body. Name the sensations that you feel. Feel this gratitude, this love filling your body. Name these feelings, focus on them, remember them. throughout your day. If you ever feel your vibration lowering, you feel yourself slipping, remember this feeling that you have right now, the feeling of gratitude, of love in your body. Bring that feeling back into your body. When you're ready, you can slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Restore movement to your body, but remember those feelings of gratitude and of love. Remember them. Call them to mind whenever you need them. And know that those feelings are there for you. Know that you have things to be grateful for. Know that there are things you love and people who love you. Thank you so much for doing this guided meditation with me. As you can see, this technique always gets me very emotional. I have lots of happy tears when I think of gratitude and love, and I hope the same is for you. The same is true for you too. So if you're working on your journey of manifestation and abundance, be sure to check the description below. I have a link where you can go to download a manifestation planner to help you work through any blocks and start manifesting the things you desire. It's completely free, so make sure to check out that link down below. And thank you again so much for being here with me today. I look forward to seeing you again soon.